Hello, everybody. I'm Mr. Pirkl. This is how you join a new Google Classroom class. So you'll go to classroom.google.com, and then you will click on the circle up here, right? See the little plus where it says join your first class. If we click that, you'll come up with a class code. And you want to make sure that you are signed in with your @portlandschool.org account. If you don't know, if you're not signed in and you don't know it, it's your lunch number and then @portlandschools.org. If you don't know your password, check with your crew teacher and they can help you out. So your teacher will give you the class code and you'll paste it in there, and then you will click join up at the top. And that is how you join a class. And once you have joined classes, it will give you a little tutorial, right? So create a post if that's something that the teacher has allowed students to do. So there's stream, classwork, and people, and we'll go over those in another video.